Hey guys, so today I'm doing an eye makeup tutorial. I'm gonna kind of freestyle it, see what I come up with. I might post this, I might not, because I did not plan this out whatsoever. So all I know is that I want some color in the look, because you know it's been a while since I actually like went all out. So I'm gonna do something cute, something bright, something colorful, you know. Change it up a little bit. So stay tuned, keep watching. If I'm entertaining you, if not, out. So see you in a minute, okay? So this is the finished look. I hope you liked it. I didn't know where I was going with it, but it turned out okay. It's different. I went a little crazy with the freckles, so but whatever. It's still cute. Still cute. So I hope you liked my video. If you want more videos like this, you can subscribe. You can follow my Instagram at Bewareitscoco. And yeah. So I guess I'll see you next time. Bye.